A phone that sees more than the eye. A design that bends the future. An AI that thinks ahead of you. Yes, this is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung is about to change the game again, with a complete redesign, powerful camera upgrades, and yes, Galaxy AI finally staying free. Here's a 3-minute breakdown of everything you need to know. Display and build. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is stepping up with a brand new OLED display, thinner, brighter, and more power efficient than before. It's expected to hit over 2,600 nits of brightness, making outdoor use crystal clear. And even with the same 5,500 mAh battery, you'll likely get longer screen time, thanks to improved efficiency. On top of that, Samsung's introducing its 3rd-gen anti-reflective coating, so watching content under sunlight? Much easier now. And design-wise? It's slimmer, sleeker, and just feels more premium in the hand. But the real changes are coming next. Camera upgrades. Let's talk about cameras. It's still rocking that 200MP main sensor, but now it's using Samsung's new HP2+, which is physically bigger with a wider aperture. What does that mean for you? Faster shutter speeds. Brighter, more natural shots. Real depth blur, not that fake bokeh stuff. Even the 5x periscope lens is getting a wider aperture for sharper zooms, especially in low light. And the 3x telephoto is getting an upgrade to 12MP. Sounds small, but you'll notice the improvement in detail and clarity. Design refresh. Here's something interesting. With those larger sensors, the camera bump could get noticeably bigger, up to 3mm, according to Ice Universe. Samsung might be reworking the back design to manage that, possibly introducing a new camera island look, like what we're seeing on the Fold 7. It's not confirmed yet, but if it happens, it could give the Ultra a much cleaner and modern look. Lineup changes in models. Big shift this year. Samsung is officially dropping the Plus model. So now, the Galaxy S26 lineup includes Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Edge, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Of course, yes, the Edge model is getting more serious. It now comes with a 50MP ultrawide camera, almost catching up to the Ultra in imaging power. Galaxy AI, free forever. Worried about AI subscription fees? I have a surprise for you. Samsung has confirmed that Galaxy AI features will remain free beyond 2025. No paywalls, no surprise charges, just smart tools that actually improve how you use your phone. So, while the S26 Ultra might look familiar at first glance, underneath, it's packed with smart and meaningful upgrades. From its sharper cameras and improved display to a better overall design and commitment to free AI, Samsung's really refined the Ultra experience. If you love that ride, hit like, smash subscribe, and welcome to ZanzluuTech, where the leaks never sleep and the future always shows up early. See you in the next one.